welcome to the Crazy Turtle Kitchen. And today I want to share with you a soup that is inspired by my love for world cuisine. So in my saucepan, I've been heating it up to a little bit of warm or medium heat, sorry. And I've got like a teaspoon of olive oil. I don't want too much because this is a coconut lentil soup, and I want to not have a lot of oil. So I am just going to saute some diced onions. Oh, it was about a half a cup, which would be about half a medium onion. If you like more onion, add more onion. This is your soup. I'm just giving you a base. So we're just going to wait till this gets a little bit translucent. So I like the look of my onions, and I am just going to add 2 cloves of minced garlic. And this I am just going to stir in until it becomes fragrant, maybe about 30 seconds. So most of that oil has been absorbed, and I am going to add my red lentils and my green lentils. Lentils are such a great source of protein and fiber and iron, and they're just, I do love lentils. So if you haven't given them a try, I highly suggest it. If you don't want to mix it up, I happen to have both these colors, just go ahead and use one color. I'm going to add curry powder, which again, oh, it smells so wonderful. And a little bit of spice. So I would use like a Thai dried chili if you happen to have that on hand. If not, I would use a couple pinches of dried red pepper. But I also, because I do like a lot of world cuisine, I have some garlic chili sauce in my fridge. So I'm going to put that in there for my spice. I think even sriracha would work if you have it. And a can coconut milk. And if you've not used canned coconut milk, that chunk is completely normal. It's just a temperature separation that occurs and will be gone once the soup heats up. And then I am going to add my 4 cups of vegetable broth. And I did use a bouillon, so that's why I have a little bit of that at the bottom. That kind of saves, again, money and allows me flexibility to say, hey, I feel like making a soup, or I feel like doing something, and I've always got some soup or bouillon available in order to do that. So we're just going to bring this up to a boil. And I love how it smells already. I hope you do too. And once it reaches a simmer, we're going to let that go for about 20 minutes because then that will cook our lentils for us. So I will see you back here in about 20 minutes. My house smells so fragrant with this soup. So yeah, I have simmered this for 20 minutes. And honestly, we are set to go. Let's dish out a little bit so I can kind of show you. The lentils did not absorb all of the liquid, which is fine. And as you can see, there's a lighter green with the red lentil, but not a huge difference. Some serving options, you could add maybe some spinach at the end. When you saute at the beginning the onions, you could probably put some other vegetables. I'm thinking carrots might sound good, or maybe some peppers, but small, but very small dice. And for the side, I have a recipe for flatbread. I'll link in the description, but I think that would be a nice addition for this meal. So this is very tummy warming and a delight for all of the senses. So thanks so much for joining me and letting me share this soup recipe with you. Please let me know any alterations you make in the comments or any successes or questions you have. I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you again. Take care.